Welcome to Merck Life Science Peenya, a place where every effort and every idea matters. This site is a testament to the dedication and innovation that each of you brings. From manufacturing high-quality filtration systems to supporting breakthrough research, we create solutions that make an impact worldwide. At our manufacturing facility, we lead biopharmaceutical innovation with advanced filtration systems, mixers, and custom equipment. Our expert teams in process, mechanical, automation, and electrical engineering create tailored solutions. Through thorough testing and qualification, we ensure top performance and compliance, consistently exceeding customer expectations on every project. The MLab Collaboration Center is where new ideas come alive, and our validation lab handles more than 800 filter validation studies every year. Safety is our priority. Through our environmental, health, and safety (EHS) initiatives, we look out for each other and keep our environment safe. At Merck Peenya, we're also committed to sustainability. Solar power, water conservation, and recycling are part of our everyday work. Together, we are sparking discovery, elevating humanity,